Hello, welcome to my first ever tutorial made for Houdini. In this particular series, I will show you how to use very simple PDG network to simulate massive worlds without any visible seams between adjacent cells. Uh, the input in this example is very rough. Model of terrain 25 square kilometers large, and the output is this 1 meter resolution terrain. Has 6.5 million points after converting to model, but a particular example in PDG network is to process 25 cells and then merge them together without any visible seam. This solution will be a little different than Houdini Labs team is preparing according to Houdini 20 keynote, but in some area the both solution use same approach to use data from adjacent cells to make clear seam. According to this icon, I think it will be made in subcontext. I, I will show you how to use PDG network. It's I think better in studios or using farms. And this small network is just made from three main features or three main HDAs. One is the preparing the terrain, the calculation of bounds and how many each individual tiles will be needed uh, according to Unity or Unreal Engine specifications. And this HDA will split terrain and has two outputs. The left branch will made the simulation on each individual tile, and the second branch is just the empty terrain, which is a little bit larger to accommodate adjacent cells. Next, I will show you how to make own terrain partitioner, which will find adjacent cells, because we don't want to process the last cell with the first, because data is not used. It's not according to each one. And the final processor is made just split the train to the finish size, which will be used in Unreal or Unity engine. So the train has resolution according to specification. And last one, I will show you PG stage view. The final terrain is like that. So thanks you, and see you in next lesson.